Jackson. Oh là là. Oh là 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 là.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the second half. With a brand new band. So some of your tickets might say the economy band on them. Some of your tickets might say the City of Wrexham band. Well, there's two bands. We've launched
Ça va, ça
the City of Wrexham band.
Là, 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 là. On va là. Là, là. On va là, mon petit chien. On reste là. Ça va. Ça va, mon chien. Ça va, mon chien.
We're sponsored by Wrexham Music Cooperative, and in fact, 5 of the tutors who work for Wrexham Music Cooperative play within the band. In fact, this band behind me is
C'est un peu fort la musique, hein? C'est un peu fort pour toi.
So it's an amazing thing to have. And it keeps brass bands alive. Short little ditty that Christmas time favorite.
C'est un bon chien, ça. Bon petit chien.
By brass band composer Peter Graham. This is the Spirit of Christmas.
Oh, right. Okay. It's a bit loud for the dogs here. So. Oh la 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 la. Yoo-hoo!